Did you know the world's favorite cookie came from a happy kitchen accident? Back in 1938, Ruth Graves Wakefield, co-owner of the Toll House Inn in Whitman, Massachusetts, wanted to level up her already popular butterscotch nut cookie. She decided to chop up a Nestlé semi-sweet chocolate bar and mix it into the dough, thinking the chocolate would melt and blend evenly. But to her surprise, the chocolate softened and stayed in little chunks. That unexpected twist created what we now know as the chocolate chip cookie. The cookies were a hit with her guests, who couldn't get enough of the rich, melty chocolate in every bite. But it wasn't just a local phenomenon. During World War II, soldiers from Massachusetts shared these cookies with troops from other states, turning them into a nationwide sensation. The demand for the recipe exploded, and Nestlé quickly saw the opportunity. They struck a deal with Ruth. Her cookie recipe would be printed on every Nestlé chocolate bar, and in exchange, she'd receive a lifetime supply of chocolate. Talk about a sweet deal! But that wasn't the end of it. Nestlé also started manufacturing chocolate chips to make baking even easier, revolutionizing home baking forever. Today, the chocolate chip cookie remains one of the most beloved treats worldwide, with endless variations and flavors. So next time you enjoy a warm, gooey chocolate chip cookie, remember Ruth, her bold experiment, and the sweet accident that changed dessert history. Comment cookie if you're craving one right now. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this story, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Animated History for more fun, quirky, and surprising stories from the past. We've got plenty of fascinating tales coming your way, so don't miss out.